Optimizely Honest Review. Watch before using. Welcome to my Optimizely Honest Review. Let's break down everything you need to know before using this powerful experimentation and optimization platform. Optimizely is designed for businesses, marketers, and developers who want to improve their digital experiences by running A/B tests, multivariate tests, and personalizations on websites, mobile apps, and more. At its core, Optimizely helps you make data-driven decisions, whether you're optimizing for conversions, engagement, or user retention. With its intuitive interface and robust capabilities, even those with limited technical skills can create and manage experiments. Advanced users, however, will appreciate its flexibility in integrating with analytics tools like Google Analytics, Amplitude, and Segment, as well as its ability to execute server-side experiments using SDKs for various programming languages. One standout feature is its visual editor, which allows you to make changes to your site without writing a single line of code. But don't be fooled, this isn't just a tool for surface-level tweaks. For developers, Optimizely offers a full-stack solution for back-end testing and even feature flagging, making it versatile for companies of all sizes. The personalization feature uses behavioral data to deliver tailored content, which can significantly boost your engagement rates. And let's not forget its AI-powered recommendations, which are a game changer for e-commerce and content-heavy sites. So, who is it for? If you're a small business, Optimizely might feel overwhelming or even overkill, given its pricing and advanced functionality. But for medium to large enterprises, particularly those in e-commerce, SaaS, or media, this tool is invaluable. One downside is the steep learning curve for beginners and the cost, which is on the higher end compared to competitors like VWO or Google Optimize, which, by the way, is shutting down in 2024. That said, Optimizely makes up for it with its scalability, top-tier customer support, and enterprise-grade security features. In conclusion, Optimizely is not for everyone. It's ideal if you're serious about experimentation and have the budget to invest in a premium platform. For small-scale needs, consider simpler alternatives. But if you want a comprehensive, reliable tool that grows with your business, Optimizely is one of the best choices in the market. Thanks for watching, and if you've used Optimizely, share your experience in the comments below.